Look at all this rust. Chrome is gone. But the bones are there. She can come back.
She served Brantford Fire Department for decades. Every call, every fire, every winter. Never let them down once.
That's a legacy.
All right, slowly now. Steady, steady. Almost there. Watch the wheel. And set. Good work, team. Extensive corrosion here. Requires major overhaul.
Oh, wow. Notes taken?
The front bumper is loose.
Here, move it to container A.
Grab the ladder rack mounts next.
All right, stuck tight.
Yeah.
Let's give it some of this.
Got it. Careful now.
Number 372. Clean those up. All right, penetrating oil first. Deep soak for these old threads and give it a good tug. There it goes. Listen to that squeal.
God, this rust is everywhere. Whoa. Nothing wants to move. Oh, think we can save her?
This is going to be a monumental task. Fabricators check the chassis, painters and coach work on the wood and faded lettering, engine guys assess the manifold and pump.
God, this thing is seized. Finally. All right, last one. There, all done.
The intake flange looks salvageable, but the discharge bodies need a complete overhaul.
Okay, I'll update the schematic.
These valves are frozen, will need heat.
Severe pitting on the piston dome. Note the frozen valves and corroded grab rails. Photograph the bumper bar damage, adding notes on the oxidization.
Extensive corrosion here. Requires major overhaul.
Oh, wow. Notes taken?
Okay, photograph the angle.
Got it.
Label this one 5.
Check.
Dashboard free. Perfect. God, look at this dash. So much history here.
Frozen gauges.
Won't budge. Seat's gone too.
Yeah, completely perished.
Listen to this.
Okay, carefully. The ropes just turn into dust.
Hold it steady. It's pretty brittle.
Look at this rot. It's worse than I thought.
Definitely need a full rebuild on these.
All right, these bolts are loose. Careful, it's heavier than it looks.
Got it. Let's get it on the bench to assess the damage.
Yeah, this leather is definitely beyond repair. It looks like a complete replacement.
And that we were on the joke lecture about this boxing from and saying that words that been trodden and statement on me versus what. But during a new modification I tried to no about
What it hat? The edges are smoothed out now. Let's check the feel. Looks good. Ready for the patches. Keep the pressure steady. Nice consistent bead. Perfect. Feather it smooth on both sides. Zone 1, corrosion pit, top hood. 2, rivet seam weakness. 3, perforation here. Okay, number says 16, rear arch. Perfect. Almost there. Now for the 800 grit. Yes, that's it. Smooth as glass. All right, 80 grit done. Looking good, ready for the finer stuff. Yeah, just checking for waves now. Looks perfect. The cure is flawless.
Maximum hardness achieved.
Main crankshaft going in.
Perfect, perfect.
Torque wrench up to spec on this main cap.
Nice and smooth.
End play looks good. Ready to keep going. The bore tolerance is within acceptable range. Good, good. Now measure the crankshaft journals. Checking the bearing clearance now.
Okay, slowly, ease it down. Got it, watch the exhaust. Just a little more. Perfect, bring me the bolts.
Right here, torque them down. The current is active. Look at the quality of that chrome. Perfect. Absolutely flawless. Branford is restored. Exceptional. The seat is in place.
You got anything to it?
Now for the grab rails. The pinstripe thickness is consistent. Just one tiny touch on this curve. Perfect, the B. Ranford lettering shines. Exceptional work.
The ornate gold scrollwork is now emerging at every panel corner, completing the coachwork decoration.
Measurement complete. 327 microns. Recording now.
Next panel, please.
Verified. The finish is mirror flat. Timing light is right on the mark.
Fuel line is sealed.
Radiator and oil levels confirmed.
Get ready.
The engine sounds healthy, good compression on all cylinders. Temperature is right on spec.
The fuel line is secure.
Good. Now the ignition wiring.
Belts look tight.
Perfect. It's finished.
Bringing it in. Now watch the flange. Got it. Torque sequence engaged. Looks solid.
Aligning the bolts
And down
now.
she goes.
Careful.
Gauge is going in, secure the bezels.
Torque on this fitting, 50 pounds. Check the alignment of the ladder rack mounts. Looks perfect, almost ready for the road.
I never thought I'd see her look like this again. Thank you.
After all these years, it's exactly like she was, Mr. Johnson. More than I could have dreamed of. Thank you.